Good morning once again. Here we are at the Miami floors. We do it right. Here we are on a pool deck. We're actually gonna be applying some primer today on the concrete slab. Basically what we're gonna do a slope from the edge of the coping down to zero, so we make sure we land flush with the tile. We will be installing about 7,500 square feet of French pattern here, travertine, and we're basically preparing the substrate to even this float. Wait until it dries. We're going to waterproof it after that, and we are going to install our French pattern maybe within a week from today. Here it is once again, the Miami floors. We do it right.